For your romantic midnight dinners, here are linguine with ricotta and almonds. To prepare this dish, you need 200 grams of linguine, 100 grams of ricotta, 2 tablespoons of sliced almonds, Parmesan, parsley, oil, salt, and pepper. Let's begin by cooking the pasta in salted water. While we wait it to cook, let's place half of a ladle of the water in a pan. And we'll use it to dissolve the ricotta. Add 2 tablespoons of almonds. When the linguine is done cooking, we'll drain it. And we'll saute it together with the ricotta sauce. We can add some Parmesan. And at this point, our dish is ready to serve. We'll add a little bit of parsley, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Buon appetito!